everyone, and welcome back to the Liliana and Maria Show. Sorry we've been away for a couple of months. We took a brief hiatus. Life has been a little crazy, but we're back in a new studio, and we are basically here for Christmas, our favorite time of the year.
Happy holidays.
So our first video is not makeup based. I know everyone follows us for the makeup, but this is something we thought we'd try because we've never done it before. And so today we're going to attempt to build gingerbread houses. Yeah, we're going to try and do that. Good luck to us.
Yeah.
I just know myself, and I feel like because it's a lot of dainty candy and stuff, it's going to fall apart in my hands.
Does it come with actually all of those candies?
I don't know. We haven't opened the boxes yet. There are directions on the back. I think it comes with fondant.
Yeah. Comes with green fondant.
So Cody's gonna be really, really jealous of that because he really wants to start doing, I don't know, holiday baking, but like more extravagant. So I don't know. Maybe we'll go into the cake business. Who knows? We'll see how this goes today. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. So let's dig in. The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
Okay, so we opened up the box and it came like this.
It came with, okay, so yes, it came with a lot of things, but my wreath got shattered, of course. So we're off to a great start.
That's pretty huge.
Smells delicious, but we got some icing. This fondant, it's very hard. Some jujube, some mints, and just regular candy. I thought it was chocolate like M&M's, but it's not.
All right.
Ooh, it smells really good. Oh look, and it comes with two little friends.
Oh my friend's arm is broken.
It's a great start. Great. Oh, there's part of my wreath.
I'm gonna use different icing because this has a little nozzle on it. Might be easier. All right.
So, oh my god, let me see. There it is. The glue that's gonna hold us together. Or just a snack later, I don't know. We'll see.
Wait, how come all your wreath pieces is there and my buddy's arm is gone? Somebody obviously ate him.
It was
wherever
me.
He was.
I'm just kidding. All right. So this is, okay, wait. Calm down. Everyone calm down. So, oh, it's not attached. I almost broke this, Maria. Piece of cardboard. Should we keep it on there?
I did.
Okay.
So it's not going onto this guy.
So basically what it's showing is like this in the directions. And then...
What's the next part? What's squares? What? What are these? Oh, we did have squares. I don't know what... That's a fence. I don't know what's happening, guys. I'm already starting. Whoa! I don't know where you are.
Here we go. Scared me.
It exploded. You scared me.
Okay, these are very important pieces, Maria. Could you just not? You're all in my way, then I can hear you. I know. Okay.
Look at that! Look at that! I'm super proud.
All right.
Oh my god. Maria, I did the wrong side here.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh no! It's okay, that's why we have icing.
Guys, clearly need a new roof.
Guys, I don't...
Oh.
Okay, let me just repair this quickly. Okay, I'm just gonna repair it. It's fine. It's fine. Don't be judging. You know, it's got character.
Call me a bricklayer.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Ooh, don't slide.
See, this is supposed to be the hardest part.
Ooh.
Don't move. Freeze. Freeze.
All right, folks, that's it. That's how you build a house. Oh, why is this side caving in? Oh!
I'm just gonna assume.
this is where it gets creative because you can put the chimney anywhere you want. What is happening? It's sliding. Did you add something on the top? Should I add something here?
You can. That's why I was holding it so it'll freeze.
Oh my goodness.
No, wrong way. That's not how this chimney is.
This way?
No.
Oh, I put the icing on the wrong side. Wow. Welcome back to our show.
It's your chimney. You could decide to do what you want.
Well, I'm trying to think where the living room would be, because that's where I want the fireplace to be inside. Oh, yeah. we'll just make it even. We'll match.
Okay.
Hey.
Next step. Fondant.
Okay, so we went ahead and we opened the fondant. It is, I'm sorry, it's disgusting. It smells like Play-Doh.
Ew.
Right? Also, as I was saying earlier, we don't have rolling pins, so Starbucks, thanks for coming to the rescue.
They work just great, as you can see. Does it? Does it work great? I know what you're doing. Maybe you should have a smaller section.
Basically now we are decorating to our heart's desires. I'm going to try and do this chimney.
Okay guys, look at that. Look at that. Look how thin that is. Look. Don't know what the F I'm gonna do with it, but it's here.
Just use these nasty ass scissors.
Nasty.
Vanjie.
I thought Miss Vanjie was supposed to be on All Stars.
I thought so too, actually, now that you said that.
Maybe she'll be a surprise queen.
Maybe. Who's excited for All Stars?
Me! Also, there's that Christmas thing.
What is that anyways?
I don't know. Let's look into it. I'd like to say that I'm officially a fondant pro. Oh god! No, I'm not. I just dropped it.
Look at my fireplace.
Who are you fighting?
Who you fighting with that thin fondant? Oh, there's an angle. Shit. Some smart thing.
You didn't even know the angle.
I know.
was supposed to be there.
Okay, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I should do wedding cakes.
Oh
Guys.
god. Oh god.
Guys.
That's actually what the back of her house looks like.
Okay, guys, just ignore. We're gonna blur that. But if you can just look at that. Look at that fondant. Oh, yeah. Happy fighting.
Okay. Got that going on.
Okay, no need to brag.
Creating my lines now.
Look out, cake boss. That's all I'm saying. Look out. I'm coming for your job. Just kidding.
Alright, now what? The door?
Are you done?
Yeah, it's on the chimney.
Holy!
Look at it!
Oh my god, you even did
Slanted.
bricks! You even did bricks.
It's slanted right here.
Okay, well, that's it. I'm out of business, clearly. It's horrible. Okay.
What does the front door look like? Just, okay.
Okay, how big is this door? Oh. It's teeny tiny.
Is that teeny tiny? Whoever fits through that door would not fit in this house. Like, that's...
Well, it's our little friend that fits through.
Girl, I don't... Even with his missing arm, he ain't going through.
Yep. He don't fit. Whoa.
No. How did you do this? How did you do the bricks?
Just with the spoon.
Now what?
I don't know.
Oh, the Gingies get little outfits too. You just continue with the fondant? It's too
So
hard.
intense.
Mine's hard now. It's like exactly like Play-Doh. Maybe this is Play-Doh. It's not fondant.
Ew. Could you imagine? Do not consume. Oh, it says right there on the box. I'm just kidding.
That was legit. I'm like, ew. Who's selling that? Oh dear. Okay.
This is the outfits we're supposed to make.
Are they all fondant?
And one only has like a belt. The other one has a jumper.
Slut.
Slut. I heard
Dirty
your slut.
Who's gonna have the belt? Maybe the one arm. No, you know what? The one arm already lost an arm. So
Let's make him look good.
he deserves an actual outfit. And the other one, since he has two arms, is the slut. So
Not judging. That's just how they live their life. No ginger hoes.
Oh, I still have to do my front door. Maria, how are you ahead of me? Okay, I'm gonna do my front door. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So I did the door. And
door reveal. Oh, you put a little doorknob. That's cute. Didn't even see.
Yep. What are you moving on to next?
I'm making their outfits now.
The home comes first, then the buyers. That's how I see it. Look at you, got a little bow tie.
So we can get the fondants out of the way.
I was gonna mention where we got our pajamas, but we're not sponsored. And their sizing is really rude. That's all.
Okay, so Buddy here is gonna get the full outfit. Ah, look at him.
Oh, he's got full-on pants. Mine has a diaper.
Look at him.
That didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Looks kind of penis-like, but y'all get it. I'll put a belt on him so he's not so bad, but if you can just see that.
These guys don't have room for more gumdrops.
He's so cute.
So excited.
Oh yeah, who you fighting? Who you fighting? My hair is all frazzled. That's hard. I've been fucking concentrating. Ooh! Sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna like really challenge myself. In case anyone's wondering, there was sprinkles here, and and it's everywhere. Anyway, so you can see what's left of the container that they're nice. Look on the floor.
Oh my gosh. Hey, icicles.
Look at that. How creative!
Just copying every other gingerbread house out there.
Okay. Do you think something will happen if I put this on its side like this?
Oh god. Just going for it. What a boring ass window. What are you supposed to do with the window?
I'm gonna cry. Oh no. Only one star fell off. Okay. Okay. I'm so distraught right now. Everything's falling off.
Okay, so this is our final look. It was really hard to do, actually. Like, I feel like at some point we weren't breathing.
Yeah, and I'm sorry if like there was points where you felt a little bored, but like in my head it was like I was so concentrated, and yet still it doesn't look like the picture on the box. Like as if you can see do you see what this is? There.
Oh, I forgot to put hair on the gingies.
Oh, Christ. Me too. Well, we kind of like just reinvented what we wanted to do with it. So, I think for my first time, where you kept these?
You mess up.
Definitely a lot harder than.
Oh, look how cute now.
No, put it away. Look at backyard party. Look at this. Look at. They're neighbors, by the way. This is a friendly neighborhood.
Do you want to put hair on yours?
No, it's okay. It's okay. They got really cool eyeballs.
I don't know what his hair is.
Very fashion forward.
Yep, with no arm. Well, we hope you like how it turned out.
Yeah.
Stay tuned next week to see what else they're gonna go through besides us decorating them. And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live?